So we prepared the data, and then I think what we can do next is, okay, we prepare the data. We can visualize the data. Okay, so code. Let's visualize the data. So to visualize the data, of course, we will use the matplotlib library. Import matplotlib pyplot as plt. So visualize the data with matplotlib library. Okay, this is very powerful tool. And then we can set the style. Set style. Set style use. Well, there are many things, but here we usually use a Seaborn. For this one, there is another my favorite, 538. Another my favorite. Set style use. Sorry. Yeah, PLT style use. Yeah, 538. You use 538, and then we will make a 4-figure, and then we will do figure, and then what we can do is 4 figures simultaneously. So 2 by 2 figures, 2 by 2, and then AX1, AX2, AX3, AX4, because I want to make a 4 by 4 figures. And then PLT, it is the 4 figures, so it is a surplus. And then number of rows is 2, number of columns is 2. And then figure size, let's set figure size. Figure size is, let's say, 1010. 1010, okay. Then we have something like 2 by 2. Yeah, 1. And then we have another date, so we can rotate the date in X like 45 degrees. So figure, so auto format, and X date, and then we want to rotation about 45 rotation. So we have like a 45 rotation over here. Okay. And then next, first chart is the actual max temperature. Actual max temperature measurement for the first one. Actual measure temperature first one is like AX1, now plot. And then x-axis is date and y-axis data is the actual. So dates, and then features, we call it actual, right? Yes, so we have actual data for the first one. And then Yeah, since it doesn't have X, it doesn't need X label. So AX1, just in case, set X label is empty. X label is empty. And then Y label is, of course, temperature. Y label is temperature. Okay. So yes, we have temperature. And then we need a title. Actually, let's make it capital. And then title. Title is what? Title is actual max temperature. So it is actual temperature. Actual temperature. Okay. And then for the second one, I can copy. Okay, it is 2 first. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now second one is not actual. Second one is like a temperature. Temperature 1 day ago temperature. 1 day ago temperature. And it is temp 1. Temp 1, right? And the y label is same. And the x label is T minus 1. T minus 1 temperature. Okay, like a T minus 1 temperature. Oh, we have jump in the T minus 1 temperature. It is interesting. Okay, and then third, let me copy. And then this is third one. Third one is like 2 days. Now it is 2 days ago temperature. 2 days ago temperature and temperature T minus 2 temperature. Okay, so T minus 2 temperature. T minus 2 temperature also has jump. Lastly, let's see friend's estimate. Friend's estimate. And then this is false plot. And then this is friend. And then for, now we have 4. And then this is friend estimate, which is basically random number. Friend estimate. Okay. And then for x-axis is automatically done. But just in case, let's put date over here. Then date over here. Good. Okay. So we plotted a chart like this one. Okay. We have a beautiful chart. And then let's make it a bit tight. PLT. And then tight layout. And then path equal about 2. Now we have a bit tighter. Okay, good. And then, yeah, this is the end of the visualization. And then next, let's prepare the data. So add text, prepare data, and then let's prepare data. Well, let's make a heading larger, prepare data, okay? And then we will do one hot encoding. So one hot encoding means we are creating dummy variable for the week. Of course, intuitively, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday should not affect the maximum temperature. But just in case, for fun, let's check it. So, and then this is a way to learn one hot encoding. So one hot encoding. Basically creating a dummy variables. Creating a dummy variables. Okay. So one hot encoding takes this original data. Okay. We have original data, which is look like week. Yeah, week. And then yes, good. We have week. And then what? We have the data has like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, okay, and Thursday. So like Monday, right? Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday. This is our original data, and then Thursday, and then Friday, and then we have what? We have Saturday, Saturday. So our data looks like this. I intentionally dropped the Sunday because when we do one-hot coding, we usually drop like one data to prevent multi-collinearity. And then transform it into, looks like Monday, and then Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. And then we can put and then for Monday, we create like a Monday variable, which has 1. Okay. For observation, if it is observed in Monday, it is 1. And then it does have zeros for others. It has zeros for others, actually. Right? Looks like this. What is the problem? What is the problem? Actually, I have to put this one between the lines. Okay, so I create Monday, it is 1 and other 0. For observation, if 1 is observed only on Tuesday, then it would be look like this one. Wednesday, And for some data, it is observed only on Saturday, then it takes value of 1 or 0 this way, right? So we to iterate this one. For each observation, we create data and that takes the value of 1 if it applies to, if it is in a particular week, and then 0 for the others, something like this. So yeah, we do this one, okay? So it's a 100 coding. So we will gonna do that. So let's do that. So one hot encoding or dummy variable creation for weekday, which is categorical variable. Dummy variable, so one hot encoding is a very good way to handle categorical features. So features equals get features, actually PD get dummies. And our dummy variable is like for dummies, we have features create categorical variable for dummies, and then let's see the features head. See, so like we have bunch of dummy variables, right? We created dummy variable for weekdays, Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday. But in the regression, of course, we will drop one usually. If we don't include constant term, we can include everything. So after one hot encoding, and then print shape of features after one hot encoding is features shape. Yeah, so looks like this. 348, now 18. We have 18. We have more variable because we create dummies for each day. Print feature head, right? So we have a dummy variable for weekdays.